Is the RubySkyBoutique.com the hidden gem for affordable women's fashion, or just another polished scam preying on online shoppers? With glittery sweatshirts, stylish co-ord sets, and bulk clearance sales claiming up to 60% off, the site makes a strong first impression, but a deeper look tells a different story. While it presents itself as a trendy boutique that's been around since 2013, records show the domain was only registered in February 2024, raising serious doubts about the store's actual history. Even more troubling, many of the product images seem to be lifted straight from other websites, which casts a shadow over the authenticity of what's being sold. Their social media presence doesn't help their case either. The last Facebook post dates back months, and there's no Instagram account linked at all, which is odd for a brand focused on fashion and style. On top of that, there's a complete absence of verified customer reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or CityJabber. And while that doesn't confirm anything on its own, it does make the shopping experience harder to trust. And when we checked Reddit, we found multiple users complaining about missing items, incorrect orders, and a total lack of helpful customer support, which only adds to the uncertainty. The site may look glossy and professional, but the facts behind it paint a far less convincing picture. This isn't a video to completely tear down or endorse the brand. It's a fair look at the red flags and real user concerns so you can decide whether the Ruby Sky Boutique is worth your trust.